Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. If you've never seen me before, my name is Alyssa and I come from Norway, currently studying in the Netherlands. And yeah, that was a little bit about me. So in today's video we're going to talk about this palette right here. This is the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette, and I'm so excited about this because this is the first time I am talking about it. I just got it in the mail and I'm super excited. It's not sponsored or anything. I'm just like reviewing it, giving it a little bit of swatch it and first impression and a little bit of a review basically. So yeah, let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so shiny, really like sleek. It really like stands out on my vanity for sure. And yeah, I've never like actually heard about this brand before, but my friend recommended it to me and that's how I got to know about it. And then yeah, so this is what it looks like, the same thing. This is just like the cover of it and this is what the outside looks like. So I'm gonna put that away. And yeah, wow, it looks so shiny. As you guys can see on the back side, it just says all the ingredients and everything. So but I love that it's so shiny and I love the color. And yeah, so we have this little plastic thing in it. So this is like me opening it for the second time today because I really had to do my makeup look really quickly. And then it said selected with taste, smooth caramel shades for the taste of temptation. So that this is what the colors looks like. This is just a natural lighting, no ring light, not anything. So here you can see the proper colors. So the color's name is Wax Paper, is the white one. Universal Delight, Aftertaste, 182 degrees, really pretty color. And Liquid Center, that's one of my favorite ones. And Alchemy, so cute name. Start Soft, Finish Sensual, Almost Burnt. I don't think that fits that much with this color because it's gold, but okay. Edible Gem, cute, really cute. I love the colors and I love the like, yeah, I love the colors in this palette. Swatch is Liquid Center, as you guys can see, cute. So this is what it looks like. You can see it right there, it's so blinding. The second one called 182 degrees, really next to it. So it's more of a copper orangey color. Those are this red color. These are so smooth, like it's insane. I love it. Oh wow, look at that. Cute. Wow. Damn. This is the color Almost Burned. So these are like 5 swatches from the palette. And okay, so my impression is these are buttery smooth. I've never had this type of palette before because I was like, why do I need like an expensive eyeshadow palette? But what I love about it is that the price is really affordable. This is 23 euros or something like that. I'll insert a picture right here on the cost of it actually, so that you guys can see from like an official store how much it costs. I got it for sale actually. I bought it with my own money. I bought it for 16 euros, so that was a really 25% discount. So yeah, I actually love it. I love how like, look at this, it's not even like, it didn't even go away when I was like using normal paper. I would just use makeup remover. But I would highly recommend this palette. It's so also neutral and it fits with every skin color. This is the eye makeup I did with it, so that you guys can see right here. I hope you guys can see. So the 3 colors that I used for this makeup look was Liquid Center, Start Soft, and Finish Sensual. So I used this one, and this one. Those were the 3 colors and I'm super happy about it. As you guys can see, I'm not really good with makeup and stuff, so it's super good for like a beginner like me. Yeah, I think I can create a lot of makeup looks with this. The only thing I would say about the packaging is that I wish that there was a mirror in here, because for traveling it would be really handy to have like a mirror like this. But yeah, it's not really a deal breaker for me, because I can always just go into the bathrooms and stuff. But it's really light, so really portable. I don't know if I would travel with this because, well, it is quite like big, so I also have smaller eyeshadows like quads that are even easier to travel with. But the formula is amazing, it's great. And yeah, I have only gotten it today, so this is kind of like a review, first impressions. So yeah, I think that was basically it, what to say about it. You saw some swatches, you guys. I told you about the pricing. It's affordable. I love that. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 10 shades for 20 euros. I mean, palette. I love it. And you can buy it at Douglas. That's where I bought it, at least. And yeah, so thank you to my friend that recommended it to me. I am so excited to try to play more with it. If you guys want to have a tutorial on how I did this one, I will try to make a video about it, or like a get ready with me, so you can see me use this palette when I am getting ready and everything. I didn't think that I would love it this much. I've never been like an eyeshadowy type of feeling. I always have like a person, but I always have like a good base and everything, and then my lips is always in focus for me. But now I thought about trying more for my eyes and stuff, and these colors are so perfect. So if you have dark skin, I think these colors also will look really good on you, and also lighter skin, it will look really good because they're like neutral and also darker shades in here. Perfect for beginners, and yeah, also makeup artists. If you want something fast and really blendable, like this just takes like 2 minutes and then you're done basically. So yeah, highly recommend this palette. I love it. I only got it today, but I already knew that I loved it because I was trying it out a little bit at my friend's house. I swatched like one of the colors there, and then I already knew that I was like, yes, so good. Like, look at that, wow. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.